everyone, I'm Roshni and today with the Property Cloud, we are talking about a large-scale premium residential project in West Hyderabad, Rajpushpa Imperial, located within Rajpushpa Lifestyle City in Tellapur, Gopanpalli. So in this video, we will cover the project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking process and much more. So let's start with the project overview. So Rajpushpa Imperial is a premium high-rise development spread across 24 acres in one of the West Hyderabad's fastest growing corridor. It's designed for modern urban families who want spacious homes, plenty of open green space and a strong connectivity to major IT hub. The project features 8 grand towers, each going up to around 40 floors, offering premium 2 and 3 BHK residences. And one of the biggest highlight is that over 82% of the space is kept open with a beautifully landscaped greens and waterscapes. You also get a floor-to-floor height of 10 feet 4 inches, which adds to a better ventilation and a more spacious feel inside the homes. Plus, since it's a part of a large Rajpushpa Lifestyle City, you get the advantage of a well-planned integrated township environment. Now coming to the location and connectivity, so Rajpushpa Imperial enjoys excellent connectivity mainly because of its close proximity to the outer ring road and a key IT zone. ORR Exit 2 is just about 5 minutes away. Gopanpalli Circle and Q City are around 10 minutes and the major employment hub like Wipro Circle and the financial district are roughly 20 minutes away. Gachibowli Circle and the stadium are also about 20 minutes while Inorbit Mall in Madhapur is around 25 minutes away. So for IT professionals working in Gachibowli or the financial district, daily commuting becomes quite smooth and convenient. Moving on to the amenities and lifestyle, this project is designed to offer a very balanced and community-focused lifestyle. There is a massive 7.5-acre central landscape courtyard which becomes the heart of the development clubhouse. There are 2 swimming pools with large deck along with a kids pool, a mini forest and even a dedicated pet park. Overall, it's a complete lifestyle ecosystem designed for families, fitness enthusiasts and community living. Now let's talk about the pricing and configuration. So the project offers well-designed 2 and 3 BHK homes. The 2 BHK units range from around 1,350 to 1,375 square feet, price starting from 1.05 crore rupees onwards. The 3 BHK options ranges from about 1,550 to 2,880 square feet, price starting from 1.27 crore rupees onwards. The layouts are efficient with a good natural light, ventilation and modern specification, making them suitable for both end users and investors. Now let's talk about the booking process. So while detailed steps are not officially specified, the process is fairly standard for such development. Early buyers usually get the better inventory option and pricing advantage, especially in large-scale township projects like this. So overall, if you are looking for a spacious, well-connected home in West Hyderabad, then this project is definitely worth considering. For brochure, pricing details, or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link in the description. And if you enjoy such premium property videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with a developer for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services and much more.